Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is how to use the VLC. VLC means media player. So first we install this library. We install Python hyphen then VLC. There is given the version 3.0 point this one. So first you install this library, then import VLC media player. Next, I have I have taken the variable name media. You can take anything. Then I pass the VLC object. Then media player. Media is M is capital letter. P is also capital letter. And then I pass the path. Where is my MP3 file? Okay, it's working. This is also working. Now media dot play, I want to play this song, so it is the 0, it means 2. Now I want to pause this library. It pause. You can also, then I again play this, and I want to stop this, so I play this, then I stop this. So you can use by pause if you want to listen again, or you want to um, it is pause in some time, and then you want to start. So you can use the pause and stop. So this is the program where I am using the VLC means media player. How to we can use the media player using the Python. Hope you like it.